Let's talk about 3 of the biggest engagement ring trends of 2022. Starting off with rose gold, a metal whose roots go back to the earliest jewelry artisans. Rose gold is one of the few metals that flatters every skin tone. This metal is the perfect blend of modern and vintage, resulting in rings that have a fresh yet timeless feel. Say goodbye to the sleek, minimal bands that have been lining the fingers of many brides-to-be over the past few years. More sparkle is in. PAVÉ engagement rings have stones set along the band, providing maximum shine. PAVÉ bands can be combined with any type of setting, such as halos or a single center stone. You're going to be seeing them everywhere. Gracing the top of 2022 jewelry trends is the illustrious pear-cut stone. Pear-shaped rings are the epitome of style and grace. This geometric style is known to give your fingers an elongated and slender appearance. Pears are a combination of a round-cut stone and a marquise, giving it a truly unique, one-of-a-kind look. Which of these trends are you most excited for? Let us know down in the comments below, and don't forget to shop the full collection at modgents.com.